Hi children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all well and good. Today we are going to see grade 1 computer science. In that third lesson, starting and shutting down the computer. What's the lesson name, children? Starting and shutting down the computer. Children, in our last video class, we learned how to turn on a computer. Isn't it? Yes. Now, just recap that how to turn on a computer. You can see that starting a computer. How we can start a computer? First, switch on the power button on the electric board. First, we want to switch on the power button on the electric board. This is the first step. Okay. Next is the switch on the power button of the UPS. Second thing is switch on the power button of the UPS. Next thing, press the power button of the CPU. CPU means Central Processing Unit. Yes, very good. Switch on the power button of the monitor. What is that? Switch on the power button of the monitor. Next is after some time the desktop screen will be appear on the monitor. Okay, this is the step by step how to turn on the computer. Okay children. Today in this video we can learn how to turn off a computer, that is shutting down a computer. Children, when we have completed our work in the computer, we must need to turn off the computer. If you switch off the computer directly, it may harm the computer. So, we never switch off the computer directly. It may harm the computer. Okay, children. Once you have finished your work on the computer, you need to turn off. You need to turn off or shut down the computer. Okay, following are the steps to shut down a computer. We can see step by step how to turn off the computer. Okay, here first step is the click the start button. Click the start button. Next is the click on shutdown button. Click on shutdown button. Next is the switch off the monitor when you see this message. Next is the switch off the UPS. Next is switch off the power button on the electric board. You can see this is the desktop. Which is the desktop? Yes, this is the screen, monitor screen, isn't it? Yes, here have given start button. Here have given start button. You can see this one. Yes, this is the shutdown. This is the shutdown button. Okay. Children, now we can see the step by step how to turn off the computer. You can see first step is the click on start button. Where is the start button? Yes, it is the start button, isn't it? Yes, click on start button or the window sign on the screen of the monitor. This is the monitor. Okay, so click on the start button or the window sign on the screen of the monitor. This is the first step. Next step is the click on the shutdown button. Okay, when you click the start button, that's the time this icon will be come. Okay, turn off computer. That is. So, click on the shutdown button. Here have no? Yes. Click on the shutdown button or turn off option in the panel. When you click that one, the monitor will be shut down. So, click on the shutdown or turn off option in the panel. Next, you want to do switch off the monitor. Here have a button, no? This is, yes, this is the monitor button. Then switch off the monitor. After that, you want to switch off the UPS. This is the UPS. Switch off the UPS. Next is the switch off the power button. Switch off the power button on the electric board. This is the electric board. So, finally switch off the power button on the electric board. Children, first is the click the start button. Afterwards click on shutdown button. Next switch off the monitor. After that switch off the UPS. Finally switch off the power button on the electric board. This is the step how to turn off or shut down the computer. Okay children, I hope so. Through this video you have learned how to turn on and turn off the computer. Okay children. Now I know we can see some of the points in our lesson. Okay. You need electricity to run a computer. Isn't it? We need electricity to run a computer. Next is the first screen that shows up after starting a computer is called desktop. Next is the desktop contains small pictures on it. You must switch on and off your computer in the right way. Okay children, we will see some new words today. First one, S-H-U-T, shut, D-O-W-N, shut down. M-E-S-S-A-G-E, message. P-O-W-E-R, power. B-U-T-T-O-N, power button. L-A-P, lap. T-O-P, top, laptop. M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. First one, shut down, message, power button, laptop, monitor, electricity. Okay children, today our homework is complete your book back exercise. Okay, I will send the book exercise through your WhatsApp group that you can write it in your book neatly and carefully you want to write it children. Okay children, we will meet in next class. Thank you.